Want to earn around $350 every day? AI is the future, right? What if I tell you that this AI will help you become a YouTuber or Instagram influencer and start your money flowing in without even showing your face or creating videos yourself? The biggest problem for anyone who wants to become an Instagram influencer or YouTuber is less followers, need of a monetized channel, and most importantly, the confidence to show your face. Just like us or the legends like Knowledge Base, Mr. Nightmare, Free Investing, Nutty History on YouTube, or Creepy Mania, Conspiracy Theories, Wealth on Instagram, who are actually making more than $9,000 every month using this technique. But these channels actually pay hundreds of dollars to script writers, voiceover artists, and video editors. What if I say, you don't need hundreds of dollars to do this and can try it for free for the first 4 videos? I just need you to spend just 15-20 minutes every day, and you can get a monetized channel with thousands of subscribers, or an Instagram page with thousands of followers and earn around $350 per day. We will be using this very powerful AI called InVideo AI, who are also the sponsors for this video, and I have actually tested it myself. It is powerful enough to make an engaging script, professional human-like voiceover with expressions, high-quality relevant video clips, and then compile it to make a video for you just by giving it a title. How cool it is. Submit the title, and you get a copyright-free video ready to upload on YouTube or Instagram. Let's see how to use it. Go to the InVideo website link given in the descriptions, click on sign up for an account and create a new video now. Since we are near Halloween, a lot of people are interested and search for horror videos. I am lazy enough to even think of a title, so let's go to YouTube, search for 5 horror stories in New York. Let's use this title, 5 Scary New York Horror Stories. Back to InVideo, let's first create a proper YouTube video. From here, choose a workflow. We can choose YouTube Shorts for shorts and Instagram Reels to get a video in portrait mode. Go for YouTube Explainer and mention the length of the video. I prefer a 5-minute video for better audience retention. Write the title we just sensibly took from someone else's YouTube video. Here, write a little more about what you want in the video. It can include the tone of the video or whatever you want in the video, like subtitles. I need a haunting background music. You can also choose to have no background music, which you can add later, but why do extra work? A male American voice would be great for suspenseful videos. I would personally add a watermark for Reels and YouTube Shorts, but we will not use it for this one. Click Continue. You can also write it manually here, but they have created the template we just used and made the work easy. You can also add more to this if needed. Finally generate the video.
Do it! Just do it!
And why is it different from all the other AI softwares? It will give most relevant copyright-free stock footage. Subtitles can be added. Voiceovers can be changed as per requirements.
It can be upbeat for celebrity stuff and movie news-related videos.
Deep, gritty voice for haunting, horror, or suspenseful videos.
Crisp and holding voice for story narrating niche videos. Select a few more options for better relevant clips. Keep it to horror lovers, dark, YouTube. So InVideo actually took around 3 minutes to show us its magic, and we have the high quality ready to upload 5-minute YouTube video.
Spicy.
They actually rewrote the title for me. It is no longer copied. Awesome. You can still make changes by prompting it to the AI. Remove the subtitle from the video, or replace the voiceover with a female suspenseful voice, and it is done. Though it is good enough to export it in high quality and upload on YouTube, or you can still make any changes to give it your own touch. Click on Edit, the clip you would like to replace, and it will highlight the part of the script where the clip will be shown. Search for any clip and click on Apply. Once done, click on Export. Choose your settings and continue. This will not take more than 15 min of yours to create a video. Upload it on YouTube daily for 1 month regularly, and you will have more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in no time. And you actually did not do any of the hectic tasks like showing face, scripts, voiceover, and editing. Sharing my personal secret with you. I have been creating 1 YouTube video and 1 YouTube Shorts using this daily with the same topic. Upload the video on YouTube and Shorts on YouTube as well as Instagram. If you like this AI tool and want to use it, I will share a link in the description and in the pinned comments. You can use the free version as well, but using the link I am sharing with you will help you get the premium version in as low as $20 a month. And you will also get an extra $25 worth of minutes to create extra videos in your first month of premium plan, which I will highly recommend to get watermark-free videos. Getting yearly plans is of course better, because you get a 20% discount, but if you are a new YouTuber and want to play safe, I will suggest you to go for the monthly plan. In a month or maximum 2, you will have a monetized channel and sponsorships and AdSense will start paying you for the coming months. Think like a businessman and become a billionaire. I forgot to show how cool this AI created the YouTube shorts for the same title in the horror niche. Here are the results.
Next we traverse to the merchant's house, home to the Treadwell family's spirits. Hear the echoes of their whispers and the creaking of century-old floorboards under unseen feet.
Use it or not, but I am not going to stop using it now. I had used a lot of AIs for writing scripts, creating voiceovers, generating videos, but the result I got from InVideo AI is phenomenal. That's it for today. We work with your support. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found it interesting. Share it with your creator friends and family members.